friends, it's me, Sohei. Today, instead of reading a book again, I am going to make chocolate chip cookies. Do you like chocolate chip cookies? If you haven't tasted them, it's your turn to find out. Bake with me, and let's start now. To make wonderful chocolate chip cookies, you need first butter. The butter should be at room temperature because then it stirs well with the next ingredient, which is eggs. Then comes sugar. Then you need flour, which you also need baking soda, pink or just salt, and baking powder. You can also have vanilla extract. For the tools, you need a spatula and a whisk. And then, I can't forget the most important, chocolate chips. So yummy, I want to eat one now. If you want to, you can also have types of nuts. Now, since we know the ingredients, let's start baking. Let's start with the butter. Get your whisk and then stir it. Now get your sugar and then pour it. Oh, I'll do this a bit later. Now let's put in the egg. Pour all of it. And whisk it again. Now I get my flour, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. And then I pour it in here. Shake, shake, shake. Now get your spatula and kind of stir the dough well. It's like a pattern, a square pattern. Oh, wait, my vanilla extract. I forgot it. I want to put, yes. Now it's time to put in the chocolate chips and, if you have it, the nuts. First, get your chips. If you want, you can just do this, but like me, if you want more, let's just put a few, no, this much. Now then, stir again. Well, I don't want to wait anymore and forget my nuts. If it's small, it's the best. No, it's just the whole bag. Done. Now stir it some more. Now get a bag like this, and then put the dough into the bag. We are done baking the batter for our chocolate chip cookies. Now let's put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour to freeze. Now get your chocolate chip batter. Mine is, right here. This is very cool. Well, you need 40 grams. There's an awful lot of whack. Too much. $40. 40. First, just put it here. Look, I only want to make a little tiny one. Now, there, press your little round cookies a bit for them to spread. Okay, is this okay? If you say so, let's go and bake them. Well, I need my mom. Mom! I am done baking the chocolate chip cookies. Woohoo! These are the cookies that I made. They look so yummy, right? Well, now it's time for the best part in baking a chocolate chip cookie. Eating time! Woohoo! One for me and one for my mother. There you go. I hope you have a great time eating and making these chocolate chip cookies. Bye bye everyone! Wow. So yummy. Best chocolate chip cookies ever. It's practically melting in my mouth.